Like, oh shit! What the? Ah, shit! Oh, fuck me, I fucked. Fuck. I'm good. Who said that? I'm good. Forgot about that. We were fucking tired. I'm fucked. Third day, fourth day. Oh, that's gnarly. Yeah. I just need help picking it up and we'll move it over there, right? Yeah. J3, come. Alright. Yeah. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Woo. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I just had some road rash, that's all. Yeah.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
I've had a little worse than that myself.
What sucks is... Alright, so what happened? So what happened is that, you know, after I done the service, took pegs, oil change, I put a new rear tire. And you know, it was going well so far, and then after just, I first thought it was something to do with the clutch, but they're like, no, don't worry, it was just a tire. And I was like, okay, I get it. I got some road rash from that shit too. But luckily my job isn't mad at me. They said like things like that does happen. You know, we just gotta get the parts and you can replace them later on. I was like, okay, cool. You know, whatever works really. Yeah, there's traffic though. He's in a rush. Of course he's in an Audi, of course. So what do you expect? Ooh, that's not good. So yeah, I did end up crashing. I got some road rash on my right arm. My right shoulder is also very sore. So I just need to rest for a little bit, scrub my arm, which is going to be me yelling a lot, probably. Which is going to suck, honestly. Not the type of thing you want to have in your, like, what, my 4th day here? Well, at least I was let go early, you know, which is a good thing for me. I need to rest. I should have went out earlier. God damn it. Had to do with the traffic. Wait, it's not... What time is it? I don't know, but it's about 4. I'll be arriving there at 4:42, so it's barely 4 probably. Rush hour at 4, huh? Would never to expect that. Ah, my God. I'll even show you when I take the... Oh yeah, putting the jacket on was a bitch. I say that now once I get it scrubbed off. And it's gonna hurt a lot. I'm not prepared for this, but I have to do it, and this is why you wear a jacket, because this is not a fun thing to do, you know? Scrubbing off your road rash, yeah, that's not gonna be fun.